Welcome to Baz Travels.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
We've made it inside the Smithsonian National Museum of Natural History. From the towering dinosaurs in the fossil hall to the glittering Hope Diamond and the wonders of the deep ocean, this place tells the epic story of our planet. There is an incredible world to discover in every gallery we're about to visit. So let's dive in and enjoy exploring the greatest wonder of the natural world together.
What we see filling in the void left by the end Permian mass extinction are these tiny bivalves and tiny snails. There's so little evidence for life in these rocks, and that means something profound happened to our planet.
But what could have triggered the catastrophe? On the other side of the world, in a remote site in Siberia, geologists were looking for possible causes.
We knew there was an extinction, but we didn't know why. We had to go to find the evidence. We knew that at about the same time, volcanoes had poured lava all over Siberia. We didn't know that. Aquarium. Come on, kids. I want birds.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.